guys, so another vlog, another videography vlog, because for today we're gonna go to Tita Nut's house for a barbecue because it's so hot outside. Not here, but like in their house. It's so hot outside, so we're gonna go there and we're gonna do barbecue. Of course I'm gonna vlog because I'm a vlogger, full-time vlogger, photographer, and a videographer. I'm proud to be that. I'm Pinoy. Let's go. Manipis na ganito. Ha?
Ano? Kailangan.
Wala. Ano kayo? Mga umit.
Whoa, 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 yeah, whoa, 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 yeah. Feel the rhythm, let it flow in the breeze where the palm trees grow. Sunshine high, waves so low, island vibes, let your troubles go. From the mountains to the sea, a place where the heart runs free. Feel the love, feel the unity, in this land of sweet harmony. Feel the rhythm, let it flow, in the breeze where the palm trees grow. Sunshine high, waves so low, island vibes, let your troubles go.